Ever wondered why maintaining fitness during the holidays is so crucial? It's because the holiday season, filled with festive food and merriment, can easily derail one's fitness journey. Maintaining a regular exercise routine can help counteract those extra indulgences and keep stress levels in check. Now, speaking of holiday fitness, let's delve into the world of Planet Fitness. What sets Planet Fitness apart from other gyms, particularly during the holiday season? The answer lies in the holiday hours. While other gyms might close their doors early, or even remain closed for entire days during the holiday season, Planet Fitness breaks the mold. It stands out with its commitment to remain open for most of the holiday season, ensuring members have access to their fitness facilities when they need them the most. Compare this to other gyms, which often operate on reduced hours during the holidays. Some even shut down completely on major holidays like Christmas or New Year's Day. This could mean missing out on a much-needed workout just because of the calendar. But at Planet Fitness, the dedication to members' fitness journeys doesn't take a holiday. Even on days when other gyms might be closed, Planet Fitness aims to keep its doors open. This means that members can stick to their workout routines, regardless of the time of year. Now, let's summarize the key points about Planet Fitness holiday hours. Firstly, unlike many other gyms, Planet Fitness makes a concerted effort to remain open during the holidays. This means that members can continue with their fitness routines without interruption, even during the festive season. Secondly, while other gyms might reduce their operating hours during the holidays, Planet Fitness maintains its usual hours, ensuring that it's there for its members whenever they need to work out. And finally, Planet Fitness's commitment to its members' fitness journeys doesn't take a break during the holidays. So, whether it's Christmas Day or New Year's Eve, Planet Fitness members can count on their gym to be open and ready for their workout. So, the next time the holiday season rolls around, remember to keep your fitness goals in sight. And with Planet Fitness's dedication to maintaining regular hours throughout the holidays, those goals might be easier to reach than you think.